Hi, I would like to talk to you about the new command called scale by weight. The problem we want to solve with that command is that we have this design. Let's see what the weight is. We can analyze and know that there are 0.42 grams in rose gold. Then imagine that you want to have it in 1.5 grams. Remember that the document metal is here, then if you select yellow gold the weight is different. Now, imagine that we are in yellow gold 14, and we want to scale that model. We want the weight to be 1.5 grams, which is really easy. Just come to the Transform tab, and run the Scale by Weight command, select one or more objects. In this case, the weight is 0.47 grams, then we will type 1.5 grams. See the difference? 1.5 are excellent, enabled delete the original. And that's all. Now this geometry in yellow gold 14 weighs 1.5 grams. Let's check again. Thanks for watching.